This is the Cherry Pick channel. Python tutorial videos. The math module and its main functions. To access standard mathematical functions, Python has a library called math. I will create a new file and name it the math module. If I name my math file and then connect a module with the same name, there will be an error and the imported module will not work, because there was a name conflict. I'll tell you more about importing my own and third-party modules later. To use these functions, you need to connect the module at the beginning of the program, which is done with the import math command. Paycharm highlights this line in gray, because we imported a module that we don't use. On the right, we can see what the error is. This is not critical. Let's take a look at some of the most popular methods of the math module. For more information, see the official Python documentation. I will leave the link in the description of this video. For example, we want to round a number up to the nearest integer. The math module has a ceil function. We'll write it down. Math.ceil, and already in parentheses we write our number that we want to round. Any variable or expression can be used instead of a number. We can print the result of this function, assign it to another variable, or use it in an expression. The floor function rounds the number down. Note that floor from 1 to 5/10 will round to 1, and if the value is negative, it will round to -2. The math module has a function for finding the square root. To raise a number to a power, we have already considered the operation of double multiplication. Math has a similar function, but it returns a result of the float type. All math module functions return the float type unless a different type is explicitly specified. If we put a dot after the word math, we can view all available methods. There are functions for finding the sine, cosine, and tangent. We can use the factorial function, although it is already outdated for our version of Python. Finding the factorial is often found in logical problems, and this function is in the math library. Let's say the factorial of 5 is 120. For those who do not know what a factorial is, I will show you a simple example. The factorial is the product of all positive integers in order. This is 1 times 2 multiplied by 3, and so on. Imagine if we need to find the factorial of 150. The record will be a little long. And here we have calculated such a huge number in less than a second. By the way, in Python integers are written without restrictions. More precisely, there is a limit. This is the total amount of RAM on your computer. Another common problem in logic problems is finding a common divisor. In math, the JAD function solves this. We can pass numbers to it, and it will calculate the largest divisor. Previously, this function only accepted 2 numbers. Now you can pass it as many numbers as you want and it will find the greatest common divisor for all of them. The mod function returns the fractional and integer parts of the number. Both numbers will be of the float type. The library also has the value of the mathematical constant t. Value of p. I have a gift for you. Listen to how beautiful tau sounds when set to music. Tau is a circle constant equal to 2p. I'm waiting for you at the next lesson, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel and put a like. It will be my pleasure. And this is my gift for you.